This is a lesson on inserting Clipart into Microsoft Word. In order to find the Clipart, you'll have to go to the Insert tab here and just go to Clipart. And typically this little window or pane will come up. Now you may or may not have a lot of Clipart loaded onto your computer, and in this day and age it really doesn't matter because they've got so many online. So rather than search my computer for anything, I'm going to go right to the online, which looks like this. And what you do is you type in whatever it is you're looking for. So let's say I'm looking for something related to travel. And rather than just hit search, you might want to define what it is you're looking for, not just everything. Because animation would be useless in Word. Sounds, of course, the same. You may want photos or you may want clipart. In this case, I'm going to ask for clipart because that's what I want for this particular document in this exercise. Now you have a couple choices here. You can start clicking away and then download all of the items that you've clicked on, and that way you'd have them accessible in your library at all times, assuming maybe you don't have a good internet connection or you're not always connected. Or you can simply copy this to the clipboard and then paste it into your document right away, which is what I'm going to do right now. I'm just going to copy this, and it's not telling me whether it worked or not, so I'm just going to assume that it worked. And then I'm going to come into my Microsoft Word document, I'm going to right click and paste. And there it is, lo and behold. Now it has come in with a very nice personality because I'm able to move it, and it doesn't seem to be moving things around. However, just to make sure, I'm going to double click on this. I'm going to go to text wrapping, and sure enough, it's coming in front of text. If yours doesn't, just go to the text wrapping icon here, and just change it to whatever you'd like. Now, I can change this to square, and then I can take this and bring it up here and see what kind of an effect it's going to have in my text. So it's pushing, as you see, it's pushing things over. So now I've got the title wrapping around my clipart in a square manner. And sometimes that's exactly what you're looking for. You want it to do that. You want it to push that over just like that. I'll go back, and you may have another piece of clipart that you'll want, and same idea, just copy it, bring it in, and paste it wherever you'd like. And this fits quite nicely into here. A couple things about your clipart. These are your sizing nodes. Now if you size from the corner, you will make the clipart bigger in both the length and the width, so it maintains its proportion. It's the same picture. However, if you use this, you'll make the image wider, so it won't be proportionate anymore. Same idea with if you do it this way, you'll also mess with the proportions. You don't ever want to do that with a picture, especially not of people, because you will alter what they look like, what they're supposed to look like. With clipart, it's not nearly as painful. You can take a hamburger, let's say, make it look like a submarine by simply doing this to it. So sometimes that's exactly what you want. So those are your sizing nodes. The double arrow will show you that you're on your sizing node. The 4 arrow means that you're able to select your clipart and move it. The last one being this green thing here, so when you put your mouse around that, that's your rotate. And right now I'm just free rotating it. If you wish to rotate in a more precise manner, if you put your shift key down, it rotates 15 degrees at a time. So when you want something exactly 90 degrees flipped over, you're able to do that. Many more effects available by double clicking your clipart. And by double clicking your clipart, this comes up, this formatting bar. Lots of different things that you can do. I'm not going to go over everything. You can play with this on your own, but you can put borders, you can put effects around your clipart to give it a different style, a different look, depending on what it is you're trying to do. So I've just taken this clipart and I've made it look kind of sort of like a picture with a frame, right? I've got it totally upside down now, so I flip that over. So lots of different things you can do by double clicking here. So that's your basic clipart.